cars in the fucking garage, man. I love that shit. Yeah. Go to sleep, baby. Right here, ladies and germs, is actually an NA OM606, not turboed. Now, I already assumed going into this, getting an NA version of a motor that's a King is obviously gonna do less power goals, and it will. This is not the 2JZ OM606. This is like the baby JZ OM606 because the rods are smaller, the pistons are smaller, everything's smaller, the wrist pins are different size, everything's different. This will do 400 horsepower though. It's good enough. It's still OM606 territory. Just won't be 500, 600, 700 horsepower on stock internals. It'll do 300 stock internals if you upgrade the pistons and rods, which I will. It should do 450, no problem. So, it'll be perfect. OM606. Do we put it in the Z? I was going to put it in a V12 Mercedes. But that in this, that would be tight. That would be tight. I kind of really want to do it too. I'm gonna think about it. It would be cool in the V12 Mercedes because then I got family car, turbo diesel, and in the Mercedes, I'll use a what was the transmission called? That's what it's called, an 8 HP. That's what we would use in the V12. If we do it in the Z, we'll use the CD09. So I don't know. Lots of money, little money. We'll see. It's sick. No matter what, it's gonna be sick. Anything I do with it, it's gonna be fucking sick. We're gonna take the wastegate off and the recirculation tube that I made and flip it around, drop it down, and make a screamer pipe. Because we need all of the noises, because we want all of the attention. Put some thought into it and change my mind because... Look at that bolt. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Look at that bolt right there. You see that bolt right there? See how that bolt's basically touching the wastegate? Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. That seems like a lot of bullshit. Same with that side. Oh, that side's not as bad. This side's definitely like touching. So I don't have ratcheting wrenches here. We're just gonna fucking leave it. Because why create more problems? You know? So fuck you. On to the next thing, which I think will make sure this guy's fans work properly. Oh yeah, that's good. They actually work pretty good. Nice. Alright. With you? I thought I had the fans going the wrong way, but that's actually the way I want them. That's cool. Alright, what's next? We're gonna put some sprayers right across this right here. And then maybe we'll put one right here to spray the radiator. Yeah, maybe we'll put it right there. I don't know. Maybe we'll just do the oil cooler for now. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. All day, all I could think about was recirculating the wastegate, or taking the recirculated wastegate and making it into a dump pipe. That's all I could think about today. So, do it. I literally said last night I wasn't gonna do it, but like, I kind of just want to make the car scream. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. All this has to come off. Turbo blanket's got to come off. Then there's 4 bolts, obviously, for the turbo. Turbo will stay there. The pipe underneath needs to come out. The V-band clamp needs to come off, and the recirc pipe needs to come off, which is low-key a lot of work. I want to do it, but I kind of really want it to go Whoa! Every time I hit boost. It's just exciting. So I think that's what we're gonna do. There you go. This is the piece I've been trying to get off. So this is a recirculated wastegate tube that would go from the wastegate back into the exhaust. We are gonna flip that over and dump it on the floor. Now we gotta plug up that hole with a plate that I made a long time ago. So let's hope everything works. That shouldn't change. Steel can't change, right? Alright, everything's back together up here. That was... I still gotta put the dump pipe on, but wastegate is now facing down. Block off plate is doing block off plate things. And this, I'm not going to touch it because fiberglass, but this pipe right here is going to stick down like that. Right there. Cut it right there and it'll just dump exhaust on the ground. It's crazy because I was going to not do this at all and just leave it. And I was sitting there watching Cars 2 and I was like, this is the motivation I needed. And I came out here and I got it done in one night, less than 2 hours or 3 hours. Still not completely done, but for the most part, I succeeded. It's gonna scream. That was the goal. Hopefully there's no exhaust leaks. I'm not gonna check. We'll find out tomorrow. Good night. Today's episode, because I didn't go to work, my car took a shit, even though I have multiple cars. Just because the work car took a shit means you don't go to work. That's rule number one. You could take the other car, but no, that car is not for work. That car is for side quests. Side quests, not work. Know your limits. Should have took off work yesterday. Everyone told me. I said I need to take one person to just tell me to take off work, and I'll take off work. And more than one person told me to take off work, and I didn't take off work. So I snapped an axle. So, well, okay. We're home. Today's episode, get that thing going with the AC. So I have another car for now, and use it for work stuff, even though it's not for work. Put the screamer pipe on, and let the people scream. Let the people hear the scream of a turbo VQ. Still got some stuff I gotta put back on. It's your turn. Homie let me take his car because my car took a shit and I live far. But his car, just like my car, just like my brother's car, just like my G, just like the other G, just like the other Z, just like the other G, all of them leak water. Right there. That's literally why I don't have a seat in my car right now. My seat's over there. Why in the car? Because there was 2 inches of water in my car. Why was there 2 inches of water in my car? I don't fucking know. Stage 1, done. Bumpers back on. Welded the hood bracket. Battery was dead, charging it. Work. Step 1 of the day, done. Let's go to the gym. Go to Harbor Freight. Go to AutoZone. Come fix the Malibu. And hopefully it's before 1 o'clock by then, and we can jump to a whole nother variety of projects since my go-to work projects will be done. Let's go to the gym. I am having such bad luck. I had my girl come pick me up after the Honda blew the clutch line, and I left the keys to the tow truck sitting in the fucking Honda. Thank God Ivan gave me his fucking car yesterday,
because then she dropped me off, she left, and then I was like, fuck, I got no keys. So I took Ivan's car back to my car, got the keys, and now here I am in my truck, and we're gonna go get my other car back, and then we're gonna fix it. And a normal person would literally be like, oh my god, I need to take my car to the shop, I need a tow. No, I got all this shit, let's fucking go. Fuck you, car. Ugh. Just literally a day in the life. Like, I had to be like posting the most accurate version of a day in my life. This is 100% it. All of my cars break. None of them broke with something that was preventable. Like, everything broke that was random. Like, how does the clutch line go out? How do I randomly snap an axle doing 10 miles an hour in traffic? Like, going straight. That's insane, bro. That's insane. I just wanted to work on stuff and make it better today. And I guess God had a plan for me, dog. He said, you're gonna work on this car and this car, and then you're gonna sell both of them and buy a brand new BMW X35D. That's what he's telling me right now, and that's exactly what I'm gonna work towards. All right, I'm gonna do this shit.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
This feels like a fucking video game right now. You can't even see that the light's up there, but there's a light up there. Man, this dude's riding my ass, nigga. There's my guy. Yes, sir. Switch trucks. Crikey, we're in the guy's backyard. And there's noises, listen. We're hunting tires. Trailer tires. I think there's a tire right there. Is this a tire? Careful so it doesn't bite us. That's what we're looking for, man. Come on. Ah, crikey. He's a wild one. He's a wild one. Oh, holy shit, it bites, it bites. Good flip. He's a leaker. There's a skeeter on my Peter, whack it off. There's a skeeter on my Peter, whack it off. There's a skeeter on my Peter, there's a skeeter on my Peter, whack it off. I can't find any more tires that are what I'm looking for. Those are my dad's snow tires. You can't take those. What do we got over here? I think these are C17s. Yeah, those are C17s. Alright, we're going to take these tires I got right here over here in my junkyard. I'm going to go ahead and throw them on some rims. Gonna go ahead and spit on them a little bit. Lube them up. Yeah, these bad boys are right. Oh yeah. Chicago.
Okay, man, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Whiskers wanted to change some tires. Hey, Mr. Whiskers. What's poppin', Holmes? You come in the clock of 9 to 5, man? Yeah, what's up? He headbone me. What's up, cool? You's a good kitty. You's a good kitty. You's an outdoor cat. You go ahead and catch all them mice. Yeah, I know. You's a good cat. Yeah, you's a good guy. Yeah. You been taking care of all them coons out there. I see you. I know. I sees you out there. You's be getting them coons. Thank you for taking care of the property. I hope we feed you enough kitty food and stuff. What do you think about the garage, Mr. Cat? What's your opinion, sir? You got anything to say about how dirty the garage is? No? It's a nice box you got right there. You like that box right there, kitty? Yeah? You's a cute little kitty. Yeah. Alright, Mr. Cat, I gotta go back to work, Mr. Cat. I got me a tire. I gotta take care of my tires, Mr. Cat. Don't you go drinking none of that there black stuff. That is not cat food.
I like the shade of green you got.
Thank you. It came from AutoZone.
Be a good one.
It's gonna be a scary one.
Oh, come on. He missed third.
Big power off the lead car.
Bro, that was by far one of the most fun events I think I've ever been to. The crowd was fucking awesome. The people were awesome. I met the same people probably 4 or 5 times because I forgot who they were, and they walked up to me 4 separate times. And I was like, oh, hey, yo, my name's Travis. What's your name? They're like, bro, we just talked to you. I was like, my bad, bro. And then I'm confusing everyone and shit. I'm not good with people. But I damn sure had a fun fucking time. These clips, I hope to God someone got the video of me doing 4 fucking just continuous laps on the circle track. That was scary as fuck. Fuck yeah, high five. I broke my phone. I shouldn't have done that. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. That's crazy.
Look at the cloud. Look at the cloud.
Look at them go, holy shit. It's here. And it looks like it's coming down right on top of us. Alright, come on, Brandon. Yo, let's go, let's go! He's still getting the fan.
What is that?
He went to get the fan. Oh, yeah, it's toasted, bro. Call me Travie Jack. I ain't a lumberjack, I'm Travis. And I'm a jack of all trades. Stuck? Alright, hold on. Don't lose my tools. Oh, it's stuck in the gutter. Alright guys, I'm in this tree. We're gonna... Clearly I can't do nothing with that. But I'm gonna clear all of this off. Let's see how long it takes me. More alcohol. More alcohol.